Alright, so guys, Samsung's flagships such as Galaxy Note are cramped with special features, so it's understandable if one or two have passed you by. However, Samsung's DeX mode is something you absolutely don't want to miss, essentially turning your powerful Galaxy smartphone into a versatile desktop computer. Samsung DeX allows you to hook up a computer monitor, mouse and keyboard and start using your phone as a PC. And with the Galaxy Note 20 releasing next month, it looks like Samsung wants to push the boundaries of its DeX platform even further. Ever since we first saw DeX with Galaxy S8, Samsung has been consistently improving DeX. The feature used to require a specific dock to use, but over the years Samsung has refined the process. So that with the Galaxy Note 9, the company got rid of the docking station and enabled users to use the phone screen as a trackpad and a keyboard. On top of that, you only needed a simple USB-C cable to use DeX mode. The functionality got upgraded with the launch of the Galaxy Note 10 as the company made a Mac and Windows app enabling users to access DeX from their PCs. But nothing is as convenient as going fully wireless, and that's exactly we might finally get with the Galaxy Note 20. XDA developers have found evidence of this in the Samsung Tips app where it's mentioned use DeX wirelessly. Going with the header, it looks like Samsung has pushed it accidentally to its servers, but importantly it seems with the Galaxy Note 20 DeX would not be limited to just PCs or Mac. As seen by Sam Mobile, you can connect it on any screen including TV in the living room, which just makes it much more useful. 2 years ago, Samsung said that their vision for DeX is to allow the use of apps and content on any screen, whether it's a desktop, monitor, or television, or even the display of our car. And with the Galaxy Note 20, they are finally doing it, which will surely help the handset to differentiate itself from the competition. Anyway, do let me know what you think about this down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.